Hello, welcome. My name is Bailey. Today we are going to be moving through a little bit of yoga and a little bit of relaxation towards the end. So think of it as a vinyasa yoga flow and then a little bit of restore. So flow and restore. So what that means is we're just going to move our bodies a little bit, kind of linking our breath with what we're doing, what we're moving through, kind of almost in a dance-like way. And then we're going to settle down on our mat and just relax. So towards the end, really allow yourself to close your eyes, to be still, and to let yourself kind of have a moment with you after you've done some movement. And the reason that we do that is because sometimes it's hard to just be still. So maybe when you go to bed at night, you notice it's hard to just fall right asleep. Sometimes you need to kind of settle in, be with your thoughts. Maybe you fidget around in your bed or even before a nap. But it's the same thing before we sit to meditate or before we sit to do anything where we need to be still. Sometimes it's nice to move first. Get through those jitters, anything that we're twitching or feeling energetic. It's nice to release that a bit. And then sometimes we find that it can be a little bit easier to be still. So we're just going to explore that today. We're going to start in child's pose. So bring your forehead to the mat. So you bring your big toe mounds to touch, and you can bring your knees out to the side as you crawl forward, or you can let your knees touch as you crawl forward. Arms stretch out in front of you, forehead touches down onto the ground to the mat, whatever you're on. And close your eyes when you get here. Let yourself really soften into the pose. And take a couple breaths. Notice how your body changes when you breathe in. Everything kind of puffs up. When you exhale, can you feel a little bit more melty? Can you kind of soften into the pose a bit? Sometimes we're holding on in the pose or we're trying to make it look like something. It doesn't need to look like anything. Just relax. Good. Take one more breath in and out. Start to curl your toes. Send your hips up and find a downward facing dog. So pedaling out your legs here. Bend one leg, then bend the other. Press your hands into the mat. Nice straight arms. So it's like you're making a V shape here. Your hips are high. And you want to send your chest towards your legs. So press into your hands. Straighten out your arms. Melt your chest towards your knees, kind of. Good. You can stay like this in some stillness. You can lift your leg up, stretch things out. You can bend your knees a lot and then straighten your legs. Just start to move your body however it wants to move. You can make something up. It doesn't matter what it looks like. You can do something funny. Good. So a little bit more stillness in your down dog. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Walk your feet towards your hands all the way up to the top. And then we're going to find ragdoll. This is where we just hang. So your head hangs. You can let your fingertips kind of sway along your mat. Nice heavy head here. Good. And your legs don't have to be straight. You can bend your knees a lot. You want to think of your chest melting towards your thighs here. A couple more breaths. Softening your neck, let your head hang. Good. Release any bind that you have. And as you push into your feet, straighten out your legs and stretch up. Arms overhead, mountain pose, big stretch. Breathe in. Exhale, bring your hands towards your heart. Exhale. Breath together. Breath out. Arms reach up. Big breath in. Exhale, forward fold. So let all of your breath out as you fold. Press your hands into your shins. Lengthen your spine, breathe in. Exhale, fold. Mountain pose again, inhale, all the way up. And when you fold back down, breathe the air out. Breathe back in, halfway lift. Exhale, fold it away. This time, halfway lift. step your right foot back. Start to pivot your toes towards the front of your mat, wide-legged forward fold. So again, folding, just like we were with our legs together at the top of our mat, now we have this bigger V shape. You can start to interlace your hands at your low back, let your arms come overhead, shoulders stretch, kind of move from side to side or sway a little bit, it's up to you. But just find your forward fold here. Hips nice and high. Start to release any bind that you have, fingertips towards the mat. Walk both hands towards the right and lunge into your right leg. This little like Spider-Man lunge. You can point your toes towards the ceiling and lunge a little bit more. Stay here, breathe in. You might even see if you can wrap your right arm around your right leg and reach your left arm back, clasping your hands behind you. Good, coming back towards the center, hands to the mat, straighten out your legs, and walk over towards the front of the mat, lunging other side. Straighten out that right leg. You can find your bind, you can keep your hands towards the mat, and if you fall out, no big deal, just laugh, come on back up. It's just yoga. Take your time here. Start to lift back up out of this pose, pivot towards the top of your mat. Frame your left foot, step your left foot back to meet your right. High plank, breathe in. Exhale, lower all the way down. Find a little baby cobra, peel your shoulders back. See if you can hover your hands off the mat while you press into the tops of your feet and lift your heart. Breathe in. Exhale, lower, child's pose. Curl your toes, downward facing dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feet to the top of your mat. Long spine, halfway lift. Take your breath in. Exhale, fold it away. Mountain pose, reach up. Exhale, fold. Come all the way back down. Halfway lift. Breath in. Plant your hands and walk your left foot back behind you. Pivot your toes towards the other side of your mat this time for your wide-legged forward fold on the other side. This time you might grab onto your ankles, pull yourself into the fold a little bit. It's up to you. You stay where you are. I'm going to turn around to the side here so that you can see stacking your hips over your heels. So if your hips are way back behind you, pull them right on top of your heels as you fold. Good. Take one last breath in, and same thing. Pivot towards the back of your mat. Find that lunge. Take a breath in and a breath out. Come back through the center. Move towards the front of your mat. Find the lunge on the other side. One more breath. Straighten out your legs. Frame out your left foot. Send it back. High plank. Breathe in. Lower all the way down. Find that baby cobra. Roll your shoulders back. Chest comes through. Stay here or hover. Hands off the mat. One more breath. Back to child's pose. Hips towards your heels. Forehead to the mat. Breathe in. Exhale. Walk your hands back towards your body. And start to move your hips off to the side so you can straighten your legs out in front of you. So this is where if you have pillows, blankets, anything comfortable and cozy, you can use that here to help yourself out to restore. So we moved around a lot. We're gonna fold now. So if you don't have these, that's fine. Bring your forearms underneath your knees and actually just let your head hang in your fold. Sometimes I feel like we need to grab our toes, reach and pull, and you can. That's not good or bad. That's just a different way to stretch. If you bring your forearms under your legs here, we're actually stretching a lot through our spine all the way into our neck. Notice if you can feel that while you let your head just hang. And if you do have pillows, make yourself nice and comfortable. Use these props in any way. So you fold over them and let yourself be still. The idea is to find a stillness where you can be comfortable with it, not worrying about what comes next. just closing your eyes and being with yourself. Noticing any feelings, noticing any thoughts. Take one last breath. And start to release. Move any of your comfortable props out of the way. Start to bring your feet flat to the mat, bending your knees and lean all the way back. You're gonna cross your right ankle over your left thigh. So you're making this figure 4 position. And if you feel this stretch already, stay right here. If you need more of a stretch, start to squeeze your left knee up towards your body here. So you'll just lift your left foot off the mat and you use that left leg to open your right hip. So the more you move your left leg close into your chest, the more of a stretch you'll feel. You can take your arms, reach through and around as you grab onto your left leg and pull in. Stay here. Close your eyes if that feels good. Just notice where you feel this stretch. Notice what's happening inside your body with your breath. Are you still controlling it? Or is it working in the background for you? There's not right or wrong. Yoga is just all about noticing. The more you start to notice your body and what it's doing, the more you can learn about it, and the more that you'll understand yourself. Start to release, switch sides. Bring both feet flat to the mat, cross your left ankle somewhere along your right thigh. Stay here or reach through and around, grab on, interlace your fingers around your right leg if that feels good, to help pull in, open through that left hip. Keeping your shoulders, keeping your head nice and flat on the mat. Notice if you're clenching, if you're holding your breath, or if anything feels a little tense, maybe back off a little bit. Maybe give yourself some ease. It's not about finding a feeling. It's about breathing and staying where you are, trying to match effort with ease. 2 more breaths right here. Start to release. Grab onto your legs, hug, wrap your arms around your legs, reach for your elbows. You can stay or rock to the left and the right. Moving into a happy baby, bringing your feet to the ceiling. Grab onto your feet as you pull down. Bring your knees to the outsides of your body. Again, you can stay still or start to find some movement. Take one last breath in. Start to grab onto the backs of your thighs as you rock and roll the length of your spine. Get some momentum. Find some movement here. Rock into a seat. Cross your legs. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a breath in. And a breath out. Bowing down in gratitude for your practice, for making this time for you. Namaste. Thank you so much. You all did wonderful. Proud of you. See you next time.